Let me just log in into the system. Okay, Spiaro. We will be creating a company and a company code for automotive industry. So for that, we will jump directly into configuration and then I'll explain the front end of GL. So first we will establish an enterprise unit, which is a company and a company code. We can define anything before any unit. That doesn't matter. Then we'll have to integrate these units later on. New entries. Okay. BAP9, BAP9 group. By the E currency will be, this is company or company code. AED English. Okay. AP9 group. Goodbye. This search term will actually help in locating this company details later on. Okay. EAP9 on print. Okay. Company code is made. Now let's make a company. Now, what is a company code and what is a company? Let me tell you that, but before that, I will explain what is how to make a company. New entries, EAP group, EAP group, postal code, city, country, language, key, currency, CAD. And postable letter must replace postal must have length 7. Okay. The letter must this one. Okay. Okay. Let's simplify. Let's not get into complexity because save. Okay. Now, definition is done. We'll assign this financial accounting, assign company to company code. Assign that group. Okay. Different currencies because this is in AED, this is in CAD, which is Canadian dollar. Okay, this is done. Okay. Now let's talk about the GL front end, what we're trying to achieve. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts. This is the master data of GLs. This is what we want to achieve. We will do configuration to actually create chart of accounts. This is the chart of accounts for company code AA42. We have created company code BAP9. Okay. And this is a GL account of the same company. So we'll create GL accounts once chart of accounts are finalized. And we have 4 denominations and categories in GL accounts. And account groups is what is basically defined over here. Okay. And then we have some controls that SAP allows us to give to the GL accounts, how we want GL accounts to behave and operate. The behavior is, of course, decided from these settings and configuration. Okay. Once we are done with this, then we'll go for document entry like this one, 01, 8842, and we'll have 30201, 300, add center to this. Controlling area will also define the controlling area cost centers. Okay. So we have a cost center and then 10101. 300 and display document overview. Star will actually copy the total of all the amounts. Then we can post it. So the document is posted. So by this time, we have actually configured quite a lot of areas for that. What is that? We have the posting periods, the numbering range, company code, fiscal year variant, okay, and which periods are open or not. And then the GL accounts are being extracted from chart of accounts, okay, and cost centers and profit centers are basically configured in the controlling area side. We'll discuss about controlling area hierarchy in the next lectures. I believe this might have actually given some overview.